Okay, let's see if you guys can handle this one. Solve x and y here. Um, this one here looks tricky. So what you do is maybe you could translate this thing here into something that you're familiar with. So here, this here gets multiplied to the top. So you could imagine it as x over 2 plus y over 3 equals 3. So here, you see here you've got fractions scattered everywhere. So what you could do is here. So at the moment you've got this times everything by 2. So look at this here. This will just becomes x, and then this will become 2y over 3 because you're timesing this by 2 as well. And then this will become 6. And this should be a plus. Sorry. And then your next move would be times everything by 3. So here you would have 3x plus 2y and then 18 here. You see, this is what you're familiar with. So you've been given this complicated thing here. Maybe you could translate it into something that you're familiar with here. Okay, but rather than doing 2 steps like timesing it by 2 here, and then later times it by 3, maybe you could glance at these two numbers here and then see if there's a number that you can easily multiply it by. Well, a number 6 comes to mind. So when you come, well, multiply everything here by 6. So this here would become multiply everything by 6. So this will become 3x. And then this will become, well, remember the 6 here, and then this will collapse down into a 2y, and then this will become a 6. Sorry, times everything by 6, so this will become an 18. If you're confused, then maybe do it in 2 steps. So times everything here by 2, and then later on times everything here by 3, and then you can translate this thing here into something that you're familiar with. Okay, well, do whatever you have to do. Solve x and y. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so here I'm going to translate this into something that I'm familiar with. So I'm going to times everything by 6. So this here would give me 3x. Okay, because if I times it by 6, it's going to do that, and then 6 divided by 2 will give me 3x. Okay, so hang on. So I'm going to multiply everything here by 6. So this will give me 3x, and then when I times it by 6, you see this here, well, it's going to give me plus 2y, and then this will give me 18. Okay, so rather than looking at this, I'm just going to look at this, something that I'm familiar with. Now here I'm going to times everything by 5. Okay, so this here would be 2x, and this here would be plus 3y, and then this here would be 20. Okay, now this is what I'm familiar with here. So now let's eliminate one. Which one's easier to eliminate? It doesn't matter. Let's call this equation 1, equation 2. Let's multiply equation 1 by multiply everything by 2. Okay, I'm going to eliminate the x here. If I times it by 2, it's going to give me 6x plus 4y, and then this would be 36. Okay, and then I'm going to times equation 2 times everything by 3. So times this thing here, times everything by 3. So this will give me 6x plus 9y equals 60. Okay, now we can eliminate the x. So get one, take away the other. So let's call this equation 3, equation 4. Well, if we get 60, take away 36, we're going to get a positive answer. So I'm going to get equation 4 and then take away equation 3. Okay, so this take away this will give us nothing. They're going to kill off each other. So now 9y take away 4y, that will give us 5y, and this take away this will give us what? 20, well, 4 here, and then 4, 14, no, 20, yeah, 24. It would give us 24 here, and then and then divide both sides by 5. So let's just leave as a fraction, 24 over 5. Okay, so yeah, so leave it as a fraction. Now put it back. Put this back into one of the above. Let's just put this one here. Put it into here. Okay, so put put 24 put 24 over 5 into the y. Okay, put it back into the y here. So we're going to have 2x plus now the 3 times this here. Well, we're going to multiply it to the top here. So this would be 60, 72. 72 over 5 equals 20. Okay. Let's times everything by 5. So well, do whatever way you want in order to solve x here. I'm just going to times everything by 5. So this would give me 10x, and there are lots of ways of doing it. 10x plus 72 equals 100. Okay, because times everything by 5 here. This times by 5, it would give us 10x. Well, this would just give us 72. This would give us 100. So now take away 72. So that would give us 28. So 10x equals 28. So x equals 28 over 10. We can simplify this. So this will become 14 over 5. Okay, divide top and bottom here by 2. Okay, so x here equals this, and y equals 24 over 5. Okay.